here we go. If I were to add any product, it would be, of course, Kissy Girl hair and body oil. Absolutely. Okay, so what we've done is 2 parts, separating the top, starting right here at the ear over to the other one. And then the second part is as such, creating 3 sections. So we have 1, 2, 3 sections, and we're going to go from here. So we're doing the first section over to the side in a ponytail, and I'm going to divide the ponytail into maybe 2 parts. You can divide it into as many as you want, and then I'm going to 3-strand plait each section that I divide this in. So I'm going to divide this like this, and then I'm going to 3-strand this section, 3-strand that section. I might even do 3 sections instead of 2. Okay, then we take the second ponytail and make it to the opposite side of the first one, and we're going to grab these and put them inside of this one. And then we're going to do the same thing for this one. We're going to make this ponytail over to this side and grab our plaits from this one and put them over in that one. And here's our final result. So that goes over to that one. That one came over into the end, and there we go. Happy Friday, everybody.